So, the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This time, they have done a good job in crease control. Better than ever. You know why? Because the fact with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which again won't be released in anywhere but China and European countries, no, you cannot get it. It's going to cost over $2,000. It's going to be impossible because I believe there's a limited supply run of this unit. It doesn't have the digitizer layer. Now, at first we thought, okay, well, that means no S Pen support. No, that's not the case. What Samsung's doing is using this crazy word, guys, they have never used in the past of their company, and it's called innovation, okay? What they did was they said, okay, we want to make this phone thinner. How do we make the phone thinner? We remove the digitizer layer and we combine the screen and a special technology to make it so that now you don't need a digitizer layer. You can just have the regular layer of the phone, and it can have S Pen support, and it can also be super thin. They also have an 8-inch inside display. It's gorgeous. Looks a lot like a Z Fold 6. But that's not a problem. The Z Fold 6 is actually a really good looking phone. And yeah, so I'm not surprised that they actually went overboard and scored a humongous W with the inside layer being, less of a crease. Because they actually did innovation. They actually tried. They actually went out there and said, we're going to make the best device possible, and we're going to make this device absolutely awesome. And, it sucks is they're doing it, but doing the very limited supply run. Not everybody can get the device. It's hard to get the device. And it's just another annoying factor about Samsung. That if they were to bring these type of features to the everyday foldable device that they sell for $1,800, then it would be amazing and everyone would love it. But instead, we kind of have to wait until eventually down the line, as Samsung has already done, they will apologize and apologize and apologize. And hopefully, eventually, we get some actual cool features like this on retail models in the United States. And I say even if you bought it in China, the Z Fold 6, this phone is still going to be very, very expensive and very hard to get even if you are in China. So it is what it is at the end of the day. Hopefully Samsung does go ahead and release this with the Z Fold 7. As I've said many times, I do believe the Z Fold 7 will be truly an upgrade, and that will be the biggest W. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.